Back at it again with some insane close calls and crashes. These ones are absolutely crazy today. Surely this is rage bait, right? I mean, come on, this is just stupid. Some people are just way too impatient. What a bozo. Great way to cause an accident. This could have been so scary. Who doesn't love some instant karma? This just hurts my soul. I wonder if he caused any damages. I'm so confused. Let me know what you think in the comments. Another example of bad drivers never miss their exits. What were they thinking? Let's roll through a red light and swing into the far lane. At least they signaled, I guess. Actual inches from crashing. Welp, looks like we have our first phone victim. A U-turn into a one-lane road. What a brilliant idea. Ah, yes. Just throw it back on me. Oh my God, this is actually a jump scare. Already 2 phone victims today. Please let it stop. Goodness gracious, that was close. I swear people don't know how roads work. LMAO, he is twerking it. What a horrible idea. What were they thinking? This has to be a first for me. Never have I seen a transportation bus run a red light. Yes, my favorite, just pull out without looking, because why not? This person almost had themselves a little buy one, get one free action. I swear, some people just have zero common sense. Another person who believes mirrors don't exist. Now this is just hilarious. Who thinks this is a good idea? This could have been scary if someone was walking there. I mean, like, come on. There is no explanation that is needed here, just straight stupidity. In the rain and driving on the shoulder, this person is just asked to be sent to the hospital. That was almost horrifying for the driver in the van. The amount of people who don't understand roundabouts is astonishing. A U-turn in the middle of the intersection? Never seen that before. There is so much wrong in this clip. I don't even know where to start. The taxi had someone to pick up right away. This is why road rage exists. Some people drive like GTA rules apply in real life. One second later, and that's a totally different story. Tesla driver wasn't going to miss their exit. This is why my trust issues exist. Another driver who seems complexed about roundabouts. I'm not sure if they were even thinking. Why? Just why? This is what keeps me watching dashcam footage at 2 a.m. I thought for sure that it was game over. He stopped, thought about it, and for some reason still went for it. This is why we can't have nice things. Moments like this remind you how unpredictable driving really is. That's the kind of move that changes your whole week. Can anyone explain to me why he would do this? I mean, I guess he was in his blind spot, but still. Wow, we have footage of the idiot this time. Oh my lord. The phone gets another one. Who do you think was the biggest idiot of the day? Let me know in the comments. As well as make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more close calls and crashes.